There's my rhubarb. It's got good shade in there. This is really good when you cook it. Put some sugar in it. My beans, they're starting to flower again too because it's so hot out. Peas. Peas are really going good, climbing up. My long beans starting to go up. Carrots. Purple beans, and again the long beans are starting to go up again. And I built this year. Back up here. I built this year for that to grow on and climb. It's asparagus going to seed again. All my potatoes are just going really good. Crazy good. I'm loving how they grow so fast. My peppers, I'm having troubles, but I put in this system now with water so that it keeps wet around there, so they always have water. Broccolini, some broccoli is growing and some cauliflower is growing. My tomatoes are all going good, starting to kick in. This one's starting to have a few tomatoes on it. And I'm trying cucamelons for the first time. My strawberries over there, same thing. I gotta cut the grass today. And then I have these here. That's my water storage. And these ones here, they're starting to just grow. That's green onions. And these ones here are starting to grow too. Really nice. And strawberries again. This one here I still have to clean out. It's been too hot, so I haven't really been out here a lot. And it's been so hot that my beets and my radishes have burnt out. But I put in this yesterday and I'll be finishing it today so that it's covered from the heat so they don't burn out. Sunflower seeds are really going good, and my green beans. It's really nice. And that's the cucamelon I bought yesterday. It started to get some stuff, but I need to water everything. There's my plants there. Need to clean this out, and I'm going to put my sweet peas in here so they can climb. But I gotta wait until it cools down a bit. And then these are more melons, gotta clean that out. And my corn. Corn is coming really good. So again, just gotta clean it out, clean out back there. And that's good. Those I won't use this year. There's two more here I probably won't use this year. Probably just set it up. And get the walkways completed with chips. And then my greenhouse I built last year, I had to redo this wall. It broke apart, so I double lined it. It's all good. And in here I have Morning Glory started. These ones haven't yet. They're really going through the water because of this heat. And more cucumbers. More cucumbers, potatoes, and more cucumbers. So yeah, I'm hoping they go good. I had the door on last year, and when it got this hot, they all just died out. Just too much heat in here. It was probably like 50 to 45 degrees in here last year. So that's it for the garden. Just hoping everything survives this weekly heat wave. And it seems like they're starting to grow good. My green onions. And then I have another one that I'm going to transplant the broccolini over to, so it thins out quite a bit more. Then though it's already starting to flower too because of this heat. But it's like a loose broccoli, so it's really good. Tastes yummy. And I'm gonna put the netting up for the guacamelons because it's like likes to run around with the vines. And my herb garden all coming along nicely. Basil, oregano, mint, more basil. So yeah, it's good. So that's my garden for now.